What is up, guys? Welcome to Bargains. This is Ronak, and today we're going to learn how to drink beer the right way.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen.
Welcome back, guys. I'm sure many of you might be wondering, what is this guy talking about? How to drink beer? Like, are there any rules to drink beer? Beer is supposed to be the most casual beverage, and there are no hard and fast rules in consuming beer. I'm going to tell you how to enjoy your beer, and these following tips are going to help you do that. Let's start with point number 1. Do not drink your beer from a can or a bottle. Beer is usually consumed in 3 kinds of glasses: a Pilsner glass, a beer mug, or a tumbler. So today I'm consuming wheat beer, so I'll be using this glass. So you might have noticed Garden being served in one of these glasses. So let's start with the pouring. What you need to keep in mind while pouring your beer is to get a nice head at the end of the pour. I'm going to use a trick to pour my beer in an easy way if you cannot follow the 45-degree pour rule. So let's learn the pouring trick. Just put the glass over the bottle and turn over the glass. So here you go, a perfect pour. The reason to pour your beer and not to have it from the bottle or the can is to get the aroma, number 1. Number 2, to release the excess carbonation from your drink. Number 3, to avoid bloating of your stomach. Number 4 is to complete your beer drinking experience. As we had showed you in our first video why we do cheers, to get an all-round experience, a complete experience of drinking beer where you activate all your 5 senses. So drinking from a bottle or can would avoid you to smell the aroma of your beer. You cannot activate all your 5 senses, and hence pouring your beer in a glass would give you a better experience. Once you're done with pouring your beer into your glass, the next thing you should do is to wait for all your drinking buddies to be ready with theirs. And do not sip your drink before clinking your glass. Another important point is to look into the eyes of the person you clink your glasses with. So the Germans insist you look each other in the eyes while saying cheers to avoid bad sexual life. Oh no! And rather not question their belief. 3 big no-nos for a beer lover. Do not ever serve your beer warm. The beer temperature should be anywhere between 3 to 5 degrees. Never add ice to your beer. This will result in dilution of your beverage. Third point to keep in mind, never use a frozen glass for your beer. The freeze kills the taste of your beer. And this is why you should not chill your beer over a certain temperature. I'm sure you will never want your beer taste go bad. This covers today's topic. Cheers. Pouring your beer into a glass would also avoid any embarrassing moment where you would need to burp. So that's it, guys. Follow these tips and be a pro at drinking beer. See you next time. Until then, drink responsibly and avoid hangovers. So guys, if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment on our video, and please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue making such videos for you. Hello everyone, welcome you all. क्या चालू है क्या चालू है